Hello, Luxinda Swirl here. We are back. It is day 7 of our sticker advent cup. So let's move on to see what's in envelope number 7. Ta-da! We have Pigeon Crafts. Oh, look at the rainbow paintbrush with the rainbow bird. Okay, that has to go on here. That just has to. You know me and rainbows. All about the rainbows. All right. There we go. What else? Well, chocolate. In fact, those look like Reese's peanut butter cups. Maybe a different brand, but peanut butter and chocolate. I could paint with chocolate. That wouldn't bother me. Okay, so we have more chocolate. Oh, chocolate with Oreo. They even put Oreo on there. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's very, very hard to read, but it's there. Oh, look at the pink pig. Okay, I've got to put a pig. Gotta put a pig. There we go. So much for 1 or 2, huh? I know we've got lots of days in the month left, but I also don't want a whole lot of white space because that's not my jam. There we go. We'll put some Oreos down here. This is being, other than the 2 hearts, this is very food-oriented on the bottom, definitely. All right, so there we are. Day 7. Good to go. See you tomorrow for day 8.